Dear children, your today's topic is percentage and its application. This is both class 7 and class 8. Okay. So percentage and its application. So what is percentage? Percentage means per centum. The word percent comes from Latin word centum. Per centum. So the word percentum, the percentage comes from the Latin word percentum. That means per 100. The percentage means per 100. It is denoted as like this. Denoted as, this is the symbol of percentage. Okay. So out of 100, you have to count every time. Suppose you score 70% marks in your maths. That means you score 70 out of 100. 70% is marks. That means out of 100 you have to you just score 70. Clear? Suppose in your class 60% are boys, then how many percentage are girls? So how can you find out? Suppose 100 out of 100%, your 60% is your girls. That means 40% is your girls, 60% are boys. Then how many percentage are girls? 100 minus 60 is your 40% are girls. So out of you to count percent out of 100. This is all about your percentage. Now you have to convert percentage to fractions, percentage to ratio and percentage to decimals. So percentage to fractions. Okay. So 25%. Now you have to write the 25% into fraction. That means 25 out of 100. Then percentage to ratio. So 25 you take 10%. So 10% you have to write in the ratio form. So in 10% you 10 upon 100. That means 1 upon 10. That means 1 is to 10. The percentage into fractions, percentage into ratio, then percentage into decimals. Suppose you write 85%. Okay. 85% you have to write 85 upon 100. 85% means out of 100, 85. So 85 upon 100 you can write in the decimal. In the denominator 2 0 is there, so 0.85. This is your percentage to decimal. So what is percentage? Per 100. Okay, this is denoted as the symbol is like this. Then your percentage convert into fractions, percentage converts into ratio and percentage convert into decimal. Now if you find any fraction convert into percentage, then what to do? Suppose 3 upon 4. This is a fraction. Okay, a rational number you have to convert into percentage. Then you have to multiply 100 out of 100. Then 100 by 100 means 1. So here 3 upon 4. Okay. This is your 75. You have to calculate 75 by 100 is your 75%. That means 300 divided by 4 you get 75. That means 75 by 100, 75%. Insert you can do like that. 3 upon 4 into 100%. Yeah, only 100 you have to write, no problem. Then 75%. Okay. Then any fraction to convert into percentage. Suppose one decimal questions given in decimal. Suppose 0.25 you have to convert into percentage. That means you multiply 100. So 0.25 means 25 percentage. Clear? So these three things, percentage to fractions, ratio and decimal, and these are the fractions to percentage and decimal to percentage. Okay, this is all your percentage. Now increase percentage and decrease percentage sum amount. Suppose Rita's weight is 80 kg. Rita's weight is 80 kg. She loses her weight. Yeah, she lost her weight. Yeah, her weight decreases 80 kg to 60 kg. Then what percentage she lost? Yeah, decreases her weight. What percentage her weight decreases? So what to do? First 80 kg minus 60 kg is your 20 kg. So 20 kg is what percentage of 80? So out of 80 kg, she lost, yeah, her weight decreases 20 kg. Then 20 out divided by 80. Then you have to find out the percentage. That means you have to multiply 100. Is your 25%. Clear? So she lost 25%. Yeah, she decreases her weight 25%. Clear? Now one more example we take. Suppose I have 320 rupees. Example, I have 320 rupees. I gain 10%. 10%, yeah, my money increases to 10%. So what amount I have? So 10% of 320 rupees. So first you find out 10% of 320 rupees. First you find out. So 10 over 100 into 320. 32 rupees. So 10% means I increases 32 rupees. So total money I have 300 total money. 320 rupees plus 32 rupees is your 352 rupees. So I have, after increasing 10%, I have 350 rupees. Clear? This is your increase, your decrease percentage. It has some formula. You note down the formula. Okay? Note down the formula. So increase percentage. Increase या decrease percentage. Increase या decrease percentage is equal to change in decrease या increase या change in amount. Change in amount divided by original amount into 100. This is the formula. Increase or decrease percentage, your change in increase or decrease amount divided by original amount into 100. You want to take one more example. Suppose population of some place is your 2 lakhs. Okay. So after 1 year, it increases 5%. So what is the, after 1 year, what is the population of this locality? So if 2 lakhs, then 5% your population of one locality is your 2 lakhs. So 5% of 2 lakhs. So 5 upon 100 into 2 lakhs. Okay, so your 10,000 population after 1 year, the local population increases in this locality is your 10,000. So after 1 year, what is the total population of this locality? So 2 lakhs plus 10,000 is equal to 2 lakhs 10,000. Okay. 2 lakhs 10,000. Total population. Here, total population of this is your 2 lakhs plus 10,000. This is all about your percentage. Then percentage convert into fractions, percentage convert into decimals, percentage converts into ratio. After that, increase percentage, decrease percentage. Clear? This is your percentage.